Hey, so if you're seeing a permissions error or access denied message in Trello, yeah, that usually means something's blocking your access to a board or card. In this guide, I'll walk you through simple step-by-step fixes to get your access back. First, make sure you actually have access to the board. If you're not invited, you won't be able to view or edit anything. If you don't have access, reach out to the board owner or admin and ask them to invite you or update your permissions. Now, this is important. Some boards are part of a workspace with restricted access. Even if you have the link, you might still need workspace permission. Make sure you're logged into the correct account. Sometimes, yeah, you might have multiple accounts and be signed into the wrong one. If you're using a shared link, double check it's the right one. Expired or incorrect links can show access denied errors. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data can cause permission conflicts. Try logging out and back in. This refreshes your session and can fix access-related glitches. And finally, if you're part of a company or organization, there might be restrictions set by admins that limit access to certain boards. So yeah, that's how to fix Trello permissions errors and access denied issues. Most of the time, it's just a quick permission fix once you know where to check. If this helped, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Hey,